iPhone users, you will definitely love this. Ever been in a situation where your friend borrows your iPhone to take pictures or just to check photos, and in the twinkle of an eye, they start opening different apps to intrude your privacy? It can be very annoying, honestly. This happened to me a couple of times until I found a way to stop this aproko, friends. So in this video, I will teach you how to lock apps on your iPhone without having to download any apps, and technically it works. Let me show you how.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
On your home screen, open Shortcuts. If you can't find it on the home screen, swipe down and search for Shortcuts. Once it opens, tap on Automation and create Personal Automation. Scroll up and tap on App. Tap on Choose, and here you can select any app you want to lock. Here, let me try and lock my photos, message, and Instagram. Then tap on Done, tap on Next, tap on Add Action, and here, search for lock screen and tap Next and turn off Ask Before Running. Tap Don't Ask if this pop up and tap Done. Boom, you have successfully locked these apps. No one can gain access to these apps unless they have your iPhone passcode. If you find this video helpful, kindly drop your comment in the comment section and don't forget to follow us for more.